Good morning, people. June 15th, and today Guerrilla Games announced and released a new patch for Killzone 3. 1.10 is here, 1.10 is live. You can download it now. It will automatically download when you play Killzone 3. It's around 115 megs, so it will take a little bit of time, not that much anyway. What's new? What did they fix? Well, they added the second part of the custom games, more private matches, more options in your private matches, so you will be able to to practice, just to hang around. If you want to invite your friends, if you want to be abused by marksmen hiding in the shadows, or if you want to be abused by marksmen hiding in the shadows, but only your friends, then makes sense. Then we have the squad only chat that I'm looking forward to hearing only my teammates, not some random guy hearing music really loud. Um, and supposedly you can play background music now. Like in Killzone 2. Actually, never used that feature, but anyway. Then marksman improvements that I'm actually looking forward to seeing the marksman now. Basically, the clock ripple effect has been increased. That's great. Clock now ripples when increased intensity when firing on silenced weapons. That's fantastic. Transition from uncloak to cloak has been extended. Looking forward to seeing that. A cloak fade transition between moving and non-moving has been introduced. Player no longer snaps out of view. Fantastic. They didn't say anything about the weapons. I wonder if the rifle is still, the assault rifle is still that powerful, as people say. And then distance indicator for off-screen medics. That's great. That's really really great. And then one of the things that I hated the most was the matchmaking. Why? Because sometimes the teams were unbalanced, and it seems that now the factions automatic. Well, you switch faction automatically at the end of the round if teams are unbalanced. Of course, there is a note here that this will only affect players that are not in the squad or that have a Senate and invite to create a squad. And that will not happen at all in clan matches or custom games. Well, makes a lot of sense. And then, for people who like to cry, you can submit grief reports for the same person on at least 7 minutes, if at least 7 minutes have elapsed since the previous one. Makes sense. And then a bunch of bug fixes, for people who were hacking and glitching some of the maps and they were hanging around, out of the bounds of the maps. They are supposed to be fixed. And more stuff for custom games. There is a lot of a lot of things that they added to custom games. Basically, the things that are missing are not missing anymore. Anyway, I'm looking forward to playing tonight because I need to work today in the morning. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Just leave a comment below if you like Killzone. I like Killzone. I still play Killzone, although sometimes it really bothers me that everyone is using the marksman. It bothers me. It really kills me. It's lovely. It's lovely. It's lovely. Like, it hurts my heart. Anyway, leave a comment below if you like the video. Subscribe. Rate the video. Thumbs down, thumbs up, whatever you think is convenient for this. See you. Have a wonderful day.